Hello everyone and welcome to HairCareShare. Today we'll be reviewing the Inforcer Shampoo from Serie expert L'Oreal Professionnel. Do you have fragile hair that needs strengthening? How can it promote strength and prevent hair breakage? And is this the right shampoo for you? Well, let's find out.
Hi, my name is Herman. I'm a self-employed hairdresser with over 25 years of experience, and I'm here to share my hair care expertise and insights with you.
Here is the description found on their official website. A professional shampoo for fragile hair that strengthens, protects, and softens the hair, preventing future breakage, making the hair more resilient.
Here are the key ingredients. Vitamin B6 stimulates blood circulation, taking nutrients to the hair strands, maintaining health growth. And it is listed as this about halfway down the ingredient list. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7 or vitamin H. It's a B-complex vitamin that can promote hair strength, prevent dryness and breakage, and support scalp health. Biotin is effective at low concentrations, so even a small amount can deliver benefits without needing to be a primary ingredient. So yes, it's normal for biotin to appear lower on the ingredient list, especially in hair care products. Other notable ingredients. This one's a long one. It provides gentle cleansing without stripping hair of its natural oils, making it ideal for frequent use. And I will come back to that later. Dimethicone. This comes up at 5th on the ingredient list. So it does indicate a relatively high concentration. Dimethicone is a type of silicone that provides a smooth, soft feels and help with detangling and shine. But it's a non-water soluble, so it can sometimes build up on the hair if used frequently or in high concentration, especially people with fine hair, oily hair, or straight hair. The fragrance is a synthetic citrus scent with a hint of floral scent. It's quite pleasant and not too over the top. I think it is one of the better fragrances within the Serie Expert lineup. The shampoo texture is a liquid gel. As you can see here, it has a healthy dose of mica, and the color is pinkish peach. The shampoo actually looks a bit like a lip gloss, I would say. The texture of the conditioner is a soft, smooth, and creamy texture. The conditioner does not contain any mica, but it does have that pearly look and the same pinkish peach color as the shampoo. Its lightweight consistency ensures that it spreads evenly without clumping or feeling heavy, making it incredibly easy to apply to the hair. The texture of the mask is a soft pearly cream that also has a light consistency. The color of the mask is soft pink. The texture does not feel oily nor heavy. It feels more like a lightweight mask.
And here is our model. Her hair is rather weak and fragile and had a few permanent colors in the past 12 months, but no lightening or perms. First, we're going to use the Inforcer Shampoo. Apply a small amount in the hands and foam up before applying to hair for easy foaming. Lather up nicely and rinse off. Next, we're going to use the Inforcer mask. Take a scoop about 10 to 15 grams and apply evenly on the hair, starting from the ends and work your way up to the lengths. Let it process for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse off properly. I deliberately didn't apply any styling products or heat protection leave-in on the hair so we can really see the results of the shampoo and mask. I just dry the hair with a flat brush in a low heat setting around 60 to 80 degrees for better condition. And here is the results. The hair feels noticeably fuller, bouncier, shinier, and doesn't feel oily. The dry ends are still visible, but that's because we didn't apply any ends protection serums before drying, which is normal.
And here are the key notes. Vitamin B6 and biotin is a good idea for strengthening fragile hair, but the effectiveness will depend on different circumstances. The reason is that while biotin can be beneficial, but it really varies based on like your health, your hair's health, your dietary intake, your lifestyle, and all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of like some folks say taking biotin supplement works, and some people say it doesn't work for them. So it's basically the same thing here. But one thing I'm sure about, and we need to talk about it, is that the shampoo contains a relatively high concentration of dimethicone. Personally, I find that a deal breaker because not every hair type can benefit from dimethicone. And here's why. Let's say if you have fine, naturally straight, or oily hair, then the high level of dimethicone will weight down the hair or make it feel greasy over time. And sometimes even your roots would feel like it's greasy just even after wash. And if you have coarse, frizzy, or naturally curled hair, then dimethicone is actually pretty good because it can smoothen out the hair and manage the frizz and add shine. Because of this high concentration of dimethicone, I think the shampoo is really more suitable for, if you say like longer, naturally wavy, fragile, brittle hair. For someone who only probably wash their hair about twice a week. And especially people who would spend time to dry and style their hair with a dryer or a heat styler, then it works really well. But if you have short hair and you care more about the health of your scalp, then I think you probably want to choose another shampoo. This is a shampoo that mainly focuses on hair. So the best way to use it is to foam it up in your palms and then first work on the hair, especially if you have long hair, work on it first. And then once you have the bubbles, then you start working into your scalp. Please do not simply just squeeze and then do this, because you'll get all that mica and all that dimethicone thing all stuck on the roots. And it can be difficult to, evenly distribute it out afterwards. Is the shampoo suitable for frequent use? I wouldn't recommend using this shampoo daily. The dimethicone is at such a high concentration, could easily lead to buildup. I would suggest having a lighter shampoo to, mix and match, or use a clarifying shampoo occasionally to help clear out those silicone residue. And I mean, previously I mentioned one of the key ingredients, and it says that it helps to make the shampoo more suitable for frequent use. But then again, with this amount of dimethicone, I don't really see the point here. I mean, are we supposed to use this as a frequent use? At least some of my Asian customers, we tried, or not even Asian customers actually. I have a friend, she's Romanian and she has long hair. Even she gave me feedback that the ends were really nice. Her very brittle ends felt healthy, but the roots were definitely a bit greasy. So that's, I'm pretty sure it's the dimethicone buildup. But surprisingly, the conditioner and the mask do not contain any dimethicone. This is good news, as this means that we are able to mix and match with other shampoos within the Serie expert. The conditioner doesn't feel oily at all, which is nice. The hair feels strengthened, but it feels like there is a kind of a coating on the hair. The coating does not feel oily or slippery though, and it's gone once the hair is completely dry. So for example, for my fine hair or my sensitive scalp, then I will probably go for the Scalp Advance Anti-Discomfort shampoo, and then I'll probably use the Inforcer conditioner to go along. Or someone who wants to have volume can use the volume shampoo for volume, and then use maybe the Inforcer mask if you have long hair. since the Volumetry doesn't have any conditioners in this line anyway, so I think they are a pretty good match. And the mask is my favorite out of these three, because this is one of those masks that is quite suitable for Asian hair. So Asian hair typically has this characteristic such as being thicker, straighter, and have a high density compared to other hair types. It's just very tough. Because of its tough, smooth cuticle layers, heavy and oil-rich hair products can often weigh it down and making it look just greasy and flat. And that's why I prefer to use lightweight, oil-free hair masks, because it really helps to maintain that natural volume and the flow and the smoothness, so you can really feel your hair and it's not just being all glued down. Compared to the Prolonger series, which one is more moisturizing? I would say the Prolonger is definitely more moisturizing. Actually, the Prolonger shampoo also contains the same amount of concentration of dimethicone as the Inforcer, but somehow it doesn't feel as heavy as the Inforcer shampoo. This feels lighter, and this one still feels a bit more rubbery. But maybe it's just my imagination. So if you have used both, let me know what you think. Which one's heavier? I would say I think this one is more rubbery, feels more silicone-ish. This one, the Prolonger, feels a bit lighter, but it also feels a little bit more oil than this one. And when compared with the Absolute Repair, which one's heavier? Then definitely this one. This one has the highest concentration of dimethicone in this one, in the whole Serie Expert line.
The Serie Expert Inforcer Shampoo is specifically designed to focus on hair health. Its key ingredients, vitamin B6 and biotin, work together to strengthen hair and prevent breakage, suitable for weak, fragile hair. Users can expect their hair to appear healthier and stronger after use. However, it's important to note that this shampoo contains a higher concentration of dimethicone. While it contributes to a smooth, soft feel and aids in detangling and shine, its non-water soluble nature can lead to buildup if used frequently or in high amounts. While the shampoo performs exceptionally well for certain hair types, such as long, naturally wavy or frizzy, weakened strands, it would be beneficial to have a lighter version as an alternative tailored for those with naturally straight and fine hair. Fortunately, the conditioner and mask are free from dimethicone, yet they perform equally well, allowing for customization to meet each individual's needs. Overall, this is an interesting hair care product for those with long, fragile, brittle hair.
Alright, I hope you find this video somewhat helpful. If there is something more that you would like to know, then please leave me a comment below. Subscribe to the channel for more hair care contents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.